Welcome to today's guide on how to sell physical and digital products with Squarespace. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner aiming to expand your online shop, this tutorial will walk you through each step seamlessly. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head to the main Squarespace website and click the Login button at the top right corner. For a streamlined experience, you can opt to sign in with your Google account by selecting Continue with Google, making the login process faster. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard, where you'll see a list of all your sites. Click on the site you want to manage to access its main configuration panel. Next, locate the Products and Services menu option, the hub for everything you have available for sale. Click on the Products tab to manage existing items or add new ones. To add a new product, click the Add Product button. You'll have the option to choose between physical and digital products. Let's start with a physical product. Begin by entering a clear and precise product name to capture your customer's attention. Then, craft a detailed product description, imagining you're explaining it to a friend. What it is, what it does, and why someone would want or need it. Visuals are vital, so upload high-quality images that showcase your product from various angles. Ensure they are well lit and clearly illustrate what your product looks like. Setting the right price is crucial, so make sure it reflects the product's value accurately and is competitive in the market. With everything set up, head to the Save drop-down menu and click Publish to make your product live on your website. Your product is now ready for customers to view and purchase. For those interested in selling digital products, you'll be pleased to know the process is almost identical, ensuring an efficient workflow no matter what you're selling. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a physical product on Squarespace. Happy selling your amazing products online.